Hello dear customer, this is Ivan from PRQ company. Today I would like to share with you how we can make the plastic open and finish zipper. As you can see, totally we have 4 solutions. In this video, I will share with you the solution 1. And also, this solution is the most recommended solution for our customer. And it mainly used for making the plastic open and finish zipper with side insert model. So what is side insert model? The side insert model, that means you can take out the slider from the top star. So now follow my video and see how we can make. As you can see, this is a production processes. The first one is gapping. So gapping means we remove the teeth from the zipper. And through this process, we can control the length of the zipper. And after gapping, we're going to the fill sealing. The fill sealing, that means we use this transparent film and put on the surface of the zipper. And after fill sealing, we need to hole punching. Hole punching means we make the hole on the zipper to make some preparation for the next step. And the fourth step is pin box with side insert top star injection. So in this process, we inject the pin box and the top star at the same time. And after this fourth step, because after injection, the zipper is separate. And also, we have some POM, waste POM material. And also we need to mount the slider. So that means in the next step, we need to finish 3 processes: waste material picking, slider mounting, and zipper combining. And you see in our one machine, that means this one machine can finish these 3 processes. So this machine is very useful for our customer. And we also really recommend this machine to our customer. After this 5th process, we're going to the crush waste POM bond. Because after this process, we have some waste POM bond. So we will use this crushing machine to crush them and for recycle. So it will help you save your cost. And the last step is cutting. We cut the zipper. So this is the whole production processes. And actually, during these processes, in some processes, we can provide you some semi-automatic machine. For example, in this injection process, except the automatic machine, we also can provide you semi-automatic machine. And also in the cutting process, we can also provide you semi-automatic cutting machine to help you save a cost. So this is the whole production process. And the next I want to show to you is that which raw material we need to make this such kind of zipper. The first one is the transparent film for fill sealing process, like this one. And the next one is the POM material. The POM material used for inject the top star, used for inject the pin box. And the last one is slider, because we need to mount the slider on the zipper. And for the slider and for all of them, we can provide them to you. So in addition to this, we can also provide you the video of each processes.
The output is 3,000 pieces per hour. You can see the zipper goes through the heel and go into gapping. This one is used to clean the teeth. And then you can see the zipper cleans very well. The output is 1,800 pieces per hour. Okay, you can see the zippers go through here and fits in here. And then the zipper come out here. You can see the fill sealing is very well. The output is 3,800 pieces per hour. The zippers go through here, and this is the hole punching part. And then the zippers go out here. You can see the hole punching is very well.
So besides the video of each process, we also have the leaflet for your reference. In our leaflet, you can note the basic information of this machine, for example, the size, the output, and also other advantages, and also some spare part used for this machine. So both the video and the leaflet can help you have the better understanding of our machines and working situation. Okay, my friends, so this is a video of solution 1, which mainly used for making plastic open and finish zipper with side insert model top star. And if you want to know more details of our machines, please feel free to contact us. Thank you.